Does what?
It drips.
That's the problem?
Yes.
We need to fix it, huh? Alright, let's fix it.
We need to turn off the water.
So right here, there is one screw valve, and this entire unit is just the valve, and it is screwed into this main unit here. Just loosen it up. Pretty much that first one usually loosens it up really well. Then you can do it by your fingers. And this is your valve. This little rubber stopper up here is the part that has failed. You're going to just pry it off with your fingernails or a screwdriver or something. These are the washers that we bought, and they came in a pack of 6. Ours decayed and broke, and actually the rest of it's probably still in the hole in there. We didn't notice, but these break really easily. There's a rubber piece still in there. You gotta get that out. The bib washers that I labeled bathtub faucet. Take it and you just press it. There's a sort of a flatter side that has a little rib on it. And it seems like that should go towards the back because that's just a little bit of extra protection going against the thing. The guy at the hardware store said that when you're reinstalling your faucet, back the faucet out. So what that means is that this is not going to be cramming up against the back wall when you reinstall it. If you put it in all the way, it's going to hit the back wall. Put a new washer on, put it in. Here's a spot where you can kind of feel it doesn't go anymore. Yeah.